Alright, what is up guys? So today it is Tuesday the 26th I think, and right now I'm just warming up the tow truck. You can see back there, warming up the tow truck so we can get ready to go on the road. A little bit of cold, you know. But we're gonna go on Friday, as I told y'all. But this video is gonna be all over the place right now. But we're gonna go on Friday. But we ended up thinking we're not gonna make it because we had to go to the bank, had to pay for it, and we had to go do a few other things. So we're like, let's just go Monday or Tuesday, whichever day is easier. So we're gonna go Tuesday today, and if we could bring it back. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put it yet. Probably gonna put it up in our warehouse, because I'm not leaving it outside. Because I know some crackheads. Oh shit! Look at this thing.
Go crazy! Ah! Go stupid! Ah! Go crazy! Go stupid! Ah!
And then, you know, especially if it's just sitting here for a little bit, not doing anything. But I got a haircut. It's kind of short. But yeah, I guess let's get on the road.
Younger music.
Alright guys, so we just arrived. Way sunny here, but it looks like it's gonna storm over there, so I don't know. But got the tow truck. I got a lot of stuff here. But yeah, I guess we'll should be bringing it out any second. So wait on him. Here it is. What the fuck? So yeah, I was show you them 2 blown bags. I couldn't get in through this door because it was right on the fender, so I didn't want to fuck it up. 2 windows. It has some down there for wires for some subs, I see. Kind of hard to see from where I'm at. But let's take a look at the outside. Doing the sin. See better than me under there. I can't see nothing.
Yonder music.
Alright guys, so we just arrived. Let me show you all the Mustang a little bit. Got it running. So I think this fender, good. Everything seems good. The tire is kind of bald on it, so it has SV wheels. Coyote. Go over here. There's the door. The guy had blue lights in here. It don't need a definite detail, but that's no biggie. I'm gonna go back there and give me some revs. Ugh. Give me some revs. It looks like it has a muffler delete. Rev it up. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Took me a little bit to edit, it had some difficulties, but you know, we figured it all out like I always do. You know, I always try to at least. This is mostly gonna be a 3-part series, so this will be the first part, and then 2 more, maybe 3 more. I'm not sure yet, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.